Hey, it's Cam, also known as Fuzzy. All right, I got this wireless live core KardiaMobile EKG monitor today, and it's pretty cool actually. Now, it says you can do all kinds of stuff with it, and we're going to go through that in a second. Let's see what's in the box here, and we'll find out. Okay, so there's your Kardia right there. Now you can pop that out, and we'll talk about that in a second. Now, if you lift this out, we'll put that there, and there's your quick start instructions here. You've got French and everything underneath here. So there's that, and we'll put the instruction guide there. Now this is I believe they call it a cell phone holder. I don't know what that means, but I think you can attach this to your cell phone. Take this 3M off and put it right on your cell phone. I'm not going to do that, but I guess you can. Okay, so it definitely comes with that, and we'll put that back there. Now, you hook that up via app on your phone, so you go to Kardia and download the app, and this is the way it comes, okay? So, you do all the stuff you need to do in here and register and everything, and it does have the basic plan, which just covers the ECG monitor, and then you can upgrade from there. So you can see it upgrade. So you just go in here and you can take a tour, and then tells you what to do and everything like that. And there's the readings I've done today. And then you can go and there's your basic plan. Detects more stuff, so you can do more things with the Cardia, okay? Or sorry, cardiac care. And then you can just learn more here, and then you can upgrade, and it costs you $11.99 a month, okay, or $99 a year. And then you can purchase that from here if you want, okay. So that's going to cover all kinds of stuff, your EKG and what is it, PVC? I don't know what that is, but I got it for myself running a ECG. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. And oh, and then there you go. Opens up and off you go. So to record, you just push record and you throw that down on here and make sure it's your phone is set up to run this thing, and you put your two hands on here and it'll start reading. Now I think you can see that, and it'll read whatever, right? So up to 30 seconds long, as it got a great, as long as it has a good signal. If you get other devices, you can select device up there on the top there and put in a different device or whatever have you, right? So it reads it and reads it and reads it, and does what it needs to do. Okay, now you can see it pounding on the other side, and it's going to tell me what it was after that many seconds. Okay, so there you go. I'm at 77, and it shows you the line. I don't know what this is yet. Invert. I'm not. It says off, so I'm not sure what that is yet. But yeah, and then you can learn more, and then you can save down here if you want, and go from there. But all in all, I think it's going to work really, really well, and I hope you enjoy it.